Yes. So,
Good
ma'am,
sa
kailan po
organizer.
exactly mangyayari itong event and saan po yung venue natin?
Diliman Preparatory School, Commonwealth Avenue po, Quezon City.
Doon pala maganda mo maglaban, ah.
Sa ika-10 ng December. December 10 and 11. 24 hours po tinatarget natin.
Alright, so that's on Friday and Saturday po.
We start,
2 days.
opening ceremonies will be, opening ceremonies will be at 3 o'clock. And then,
3 p.m.
4 o'clock yung simula ng
Okay.
Ma'am, I came from I studied also in Diliman Preparatory. Kakasya pa tayo kasi yung record sa Italy, 5,028. Kapag lumagpas ng 6,000 and ma-accommodate pa ba natin sa race?
So we're not going to turn away anybody. No? So kung halimbawa, na kompleto, actually 5,029 broken na yung record.
Right.
Pero sinasabi natin, gagawin natin 6,000 para hindi madaling i-break ng ibang bansa.
Oh, wow.
Una-una. No? Pangalawa, pagka more than that, halimbawa, 12,000 ang dumating.
12,000.
Mas
Diba?
madami.
Eh di gagawin natin 48 hours. Then we would have set a new record.
Wow, okay.
Dahil ang record na yun for 24, di ba?
Alright, yes, yes.
So, not just
Celebrate natin.
beating the record, talaga set a new
Of course,
record.
the
Pwede rin
Philippines
po.
would like to set a new record.
Okay. Ano po yung mga reminders sa atin para sa mga gustong mag-register at mag-participate dito sa event na ito? Ano po ba yung mga dapat nilang dalhin or gawin? Meron po ba tayong mga reminders?
You can register online.
Wala, ano?
Swimrelayrecord.com.
Okay.
Yes, sa internet, pwede na mag-ano.
Record.com. Or you can call
Yan, sa may-
9310728 or 9310731 or 0918
Gusto ni Alan pumunta eh.
9106072. So you can register that way.
Kailan ba yan?
Or you can come directly to Diliman Preparatory
Ngayong umaga?
School,
On that day.
Commonwealth
4:30
Avenue, Quezon
nandun.
City.
So, pwede rin po sila mag-walk.
Kasi kung marami kayo, it's better that you register early so that
Accommodate properly.
so that you don't have to wait very long.
Ay, exactly.
Sabihin natin, bibigyan namin kayo within that hour, pwede na kayo mag-swim. Kasi i-orasan natin yun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So invite everyone to join.
Yeah, so mamaya pwede natin ulitin at invite sila kung gusto talaga nila mag-register, mag-participate dito. And for the meantime, well, hindi naman pwedeng sila lang ang nag-join at nag-swim dyan dahil I heard ikaw mismo, Drew at Bowie, ay magpapakita gilas din at makikijoin sa ating mga
Makikidrive
swimmers
daw tayo.
this morning. Okay! Hindi na nakayanan ni Drew, nag-dive siya. Bowie, ikaw na, go ahead. Thank you so much, Edna. At sa aming pagbabalik, mas marami pa po tayo pag-uusapan tungkol nga dito sa 24-hour relay na magaganap on Friday and Saturday. Kaya tutok lang mga kapuso. Back to studio muna.